Hello friends, welcome to Monetran channel. Today I came up with another video which is door hanging decor ideas, where we are unlocking the door to endless creativity with stunning door hanging decor ideas. In this video we are exploring a world of inspiration to adorn your doors with style and charm, from festive wreaths to elegant macrame hangings and personalized signs. We'll showcase a variety of door decor options for every season and occasion. Join us as we share DIY tutorials, tips, and tricks to help you create eye catching and welcoming door displays that make a lasting impression. Whether you are sprucing up your front entryway, adding plate to interior doors, or celebrating special events, we have got you covered with ideas that will elevate your home interior ambience. We hope this video has given some ideas for door hangings. Please watch the video completely, and if you feel this video is worth watching, please like, share and subscribe to Monetran channel. Thank you and happy watching.